Hi everyone, we're the team from JPS Canada, the GTA's most trusted provider in retrofit fan coils and high-rise HVAC system. Today, we're going to take you on an exclusive behind-the-scene tour of our condominium fan coils retrofit. Come on! A fan coil is a type of HVAC system commonly used in high-rises, and with proper maintenance, they typically last about 20 years. When it's time to replace them, the process is usually pretty seamless thanks to the built-in cabinet. During our retrofit, we just slide the old one out and put a new one in. When we're done, you won't even know we were here. Fan coil retrofits can be a messy job, so we set up protection in the hallway and the suite to make sure we contain everything. We also set up this containment tent with a HEPA air scrubber. This prevents any airborne debris or potential mold from spreading around the suite. With all that done, we're ready to get started. We've taken out the old unit and removed all the old insulation, but we're not quite ready to install the new unit yet. First, we want to make sure the cabinet is good as new. We're going to clean and disinfect it with all natural Health Canada approved germicide. Now that the cabinet is nice and clean, we're going to put in some fresh insulation with mechanical weld pin. This allows us to avoid the use of toxic glue and adhesive. After that, we install the new chassis. Up next, the electrical components. Looking good. Now, the final step is to put the new door. But before we do that, we just want to show you some of the features of these new units. First, we have the EC motors, which have a long lifespan than traditional motors and help reduce electricity consumption by up to 30%. This system also has superior heating and cooling capacity because of this high-efficiency coil and the modern blower design. Stainless steel pans and chassis eliminate the risk of corrosion, while the pan overflow switch and the floor moisture sensor and alarm mitigates overflow and the likelihood of flood damage. Lastly, this new installation combined with the new technologies are going to make the unit much quieter than the older model. As you can see, our custom fit chassis fits like a glove, and with the cabinet door on, you really won't even know any work has been done. And while we did install a new digital thermostat, we've used a cover plate to hide any new drywall openings. Well, it looks like we're just about done here. Now all that's left is the cleanup. And that's it. You've seen how we protect the suite, remove the old fan coil, clean the cabinet, install a high-functioning new one, and leave the suite just as we found it. Now it's time for us to move on to the next retrofit. Thanks for joining us.